Guys, Namaste. My name is Ameya. I am currently studying in Standard 12th Science Maths Group. Today I am here to talk with you about my experience of the place I loved the most. That's Khandekar's Academy. An year ago, when I passed Standard 10th from my school about having 98 percentile and 85 percentage, I realized something extraordinary within myself. When I compared Ameya with the Ameya 3 years ago, I found that a better understanding, a drastic improvement in IQ level, a conceptual clarity, and a fulfilled vocabulary was developed in myself. When I introspected myself again and again, I found that Ameya was being more confident than what he was 3 years ago. All this was just because of the knowledge that I pursued from my teachers at Khandekar's Academy. Right from Pradnya ma'am's conceptual clarity to Nikhil sir's enhanced English and Rohini ma'am's ethical teachings with linguistic skills, everything has a special place in my personality. I studied about 3 years at Khandekar's Academy from 8th standard to 10th standard, and my experience there was just amazing. May it be Pradnya ma'am's science class based on conceptual clarity or Nikhil sir's English class based on integrated approach to develop interest about language in students, everything was just great. And Rohini ma'am was the best Sanskrit teacher I had ever thought of. Ma'am not just taught us only the linguistic skills, but also made us to generate the ethical and moral values within ourselves so that we can observe our life in a new way. And when it's about maths class, that was my personal favorite. Pradnya ma'am never led us to feel bored, which usually other students do in the maths class, and that's why the 95 marks of maths made a significant contribution in improving my board's result. And about SS class of Nikhil sir, that was just like a spice to the curry, with a lot of fun obviously. And and due to Nikhil sir only, today, although being a science student, the subjects like economics and geography are of my personal interest. 3 years at Khandekar's Academy were just fantabulous. We all lived there just like a family, with teachers as our guardians, who supported us in every problem, who provided us thousands of opportunities, and who counseled us in every confusion we were. I want to thank these teachers who came to my life just like a ray of sunlight, made it brighter, and gave me a new hope of studying with the power of their knowledge. So this was my review about the place I loved the most, Khandekar's Academy. Thank you.